Hey Ava, have you ever had trouble understanding all those bank terms?
Totally. When I first opened my account, I was like, what's a deposit slip?
Same here. Let's help our listeners out with some must-know bank vocabulary. Account, a record of money in a bank, like a savings account or a checking account. Example, I opened a new account to save money for my trip.
Deposit, to put money into a bank account. Example, I deposited my paycheck this morning.
Withdraw, to take money out of a bank account. Example, I need to withdraw some cash before dinner.
Loan, money that someone borrows and has to pay back later. Example, she took out a loan to buy a car.
Interest, the extra money you pay when you borrow or earn when you save. Example, my savings account earns 2% interest per year.
Balance, the amount of money you have in your account. Example, I checked my balance online.
Credit, money you borrow from a bank or credit card company. Example, I used my credit card to book the hotel.
Debit, money taken directly from your bank account. Example, I used my debit card at the grocery store.
ATM, automated teller machine. A machine that lets you deposit or withdraw money. Example, I got cash from the ATM near my office.
Transfer, to move money from one account to another. Example, I transferred money to my friend's account.
Fee, a small charge you pay for services. Example, there's a $5 fee for using this ATM.
Overdraft, when you spend more money than you have in your account. Example, I got an overdraft fee after paying my rent.
Savings, money that you keep for future use. Example, I'm putting my savings toward a vacation.
Checking account, a bank account for daily use like paying bills or shopping. Example, I pay rent from my checking account every month.
Bank statement, a monthly record of all your bank transactions. Example, I reviewed my bank statement to check for mistakes.
Branch, a local office of a bank. Example, I visited the bank branch near my office.
Minimum balance, the lowest amount of money you must keep in your account. Example, my account requires a minimum balance of $100.
Transaction, any movement of money in or out of your account. Example, you can see all your transactions on the app.
PIN, personal identification number, a secret number used for security. Example, don't share your PIN with anyone.
That's a solid list. I wish I knew all this when I started adulting.
Same here, but it's never too late to learn. Hope this helps you bank with confidence.
Catch you in the next episode.